So what is this server-side tracking that is eliminating cookies or providing a cookieless environment? Well, server-side tracking is the most reliable and user-friendly, privacy-friendly method of tracking user behavior that doesn't rely on cookies. With server-side tracking, the tracking code is executed on the server, so not on the platform or on the user's browser. This means that the user doesn't have any stored tracking data on their device, and the tracking is done entirely on a first-party server by the advertiser, not the ad platform or the user. And server-side tracking can be implemented in several ways. Event tracking, which is going to do things like page views, click, form submissions, button clicks, and server log analysis that contain information about each request made to a website. This includes the user's IP address, user agent, other data, information that can be analyzed to track a user's behavior and generate reports. API tracking can be used to track user behavior on specific third-party platforms that use APIs like social media or mobile apps. And then the tracking data can be sent to your ad server or your marketing company's ad server and processed using server-side code and gaining data from databases like BigQuery, which then provides more information about that user that can be sent back to the ad platform that enhances conversions and reduces cost per conversion.